Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you know, I pre-ordered my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, something like this, but this is the dummy phone that I got from one of the vendors. So I pre-ordered that, and then I trade in iPhone 7, which is give me a $200 trade-in value, which is pretty good. And then I also get that $200 credit that I could purchase anything toward like a earbuds plus, or but I picked this one. This is a Samsung Chromebook 3rd generation, 11.6 inch. It has a 16GB with a 4GB of RAM. So this one is retail for $219.99. So minus the 200, I pay $19.99 for this Chromebook, which is pretty awesome. I saw some of the new one that is on eBay. I believe they sold for like $149 or $150 something. But anyway, still better than paying full regular price. So this one has an Intel inside. And it is made in China. It says 220 volt to 230 volt, frequency 50 to 60 hertz. So let me go ahead and unbox this. By the way, I'm still waiting for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, so just be patient. So I'm just gonna open this upside down because I have a shipping label that's in the front. Let's see. So it's just a quick start guide I can see from Samsung. Let's see. And then here's warranty information. So here's a camera, microphone, LCD, power button, touchpad, keyboard, camera indicator, light. There's your earpiece headset jack, 3.5mm jack, chargeable USB 2.0 port, operating status LED DC jack, chargeable USB 3.0 port, HDMI port optional, memory card slot, micro SD optional. So charge the battery. Red mean charging, green mean fully charged, blue mean turns on. So normally I have the 13-inch or 15-inch with some old HP and stuff like that. So this is 11.6 inch. So I wonder how small this thing is. So let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like a Chromebook. Then here's your power adapter. So unfortunately, this one you cannot fold the prong. Let's go ahead and check this out. It's a 100 to 240 volt, 1.0 amp, 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 12 volt, equivalent to 2.2 amp. So it is fast charging. So the charging adapter is pretty small. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's pretty heavy. So it's Chromebook by Samsung. Got the rubber feet. And then you have you got two of the speaker, 1, 2. That's facing downward toward your desk. Here's a 3.5mm jack, USB Type A. Here's another USB 3.0 with the HDMI adapter, and then a micro SD right here, a memory card reader. Then this is your charging port right here. Go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. So it has protected with all this plastic, and then on the Samsung as well. So let's give it a quick power on real quick. Probably needs to set it up anyway, so I guess it does not have enough juice. Need to charge it. This is the touchpad right here. And it says Intel inside. And then there's your camera. Should have about LED indicator right there. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. See if this is worth $19.99. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.